Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the factory fitted radio on a 2006 Clio and also how to replace it with an aftermarket one. So I'll be supplying you the part numbers needed for fascia adapters, harnesses, aerial adapters, etc. Now, quite a straightforward radio to remove on the Clio. You need release keys that look like these. These are Euro keys. Okay, they are called Euro keys. These ones are made by Auto Leads, but you can get all different brands. You buy these very easily on eBay, Amazon, that type of place. Normally a sort of £1.50 or £2 for a pair. And all you do is put them this way in, so that the circles are facing inwards on both keys. Yeah. And when you push them in, you'll feel a bit of resistance. And just push them till the click. And that basically pushes 2 clips in each side. Once you've done that, apply pressure both left and right outwardly, so slight amount of pressure, so sort of space them slightly. Hence I've already pulled this forward slightly because I needed both hands to do it. So space the keys apart and it will pull out. So pull both keys and the radio will pull out. If you have difficulty getting the radio out, especially on one side, it's because unfortunately somebody's had a go at removing the radio in the past and shoved the wrong type of key in and well, bent the release mechanism, which was actually the case with this particular one here. If that happens, you could do with something like a plastic leverage tool to just pop in at the edge and just give it a bit of a gentle nudge. This radio and dashboard's obviously had some radios in and out in the past. It's got some marks on it here and there, and that's caused by people not using the correct tools to remove the radio. Once you've got it to that stage, pull it forwards. If you're running a DIN adapter radio, a normal radio in other words, you'll have a wiring harness adapter like this. This is the older style wiring harness adapter. It's got a square block that plugs into the car and a long block that plugs into the connector for the steering wheel controls. So this is the older one, so this is pre-2006. So 2006 being a crossover year does cause problems. Part number for the older one, I can just get it in focus for you. There you go, CTSRN 007.2. Okay, now this is no good for this particular car, unfortunately. There's your wiring, sorry, your fascia adapter. Makes the trim fit the right way there, which is CT24RT03. There we go, connects to. Again, available eBay, Amazon for this type of thing, very straightforward. And also an aerial adapter, again for the older specification, CT27AA01, again by Connects 2. Now, but that's how you remove it, so it's at least showed you that. It showed you the wiring on the back of it, and I've showed you all the parts for the older version of the car. So we'll carry it on. I'll do a part 2 at some point if I get to work on this car again. It does say if. Well, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'm sorry I couldn't complete it, and goodbye for now.